Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get inside menu on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. And if we want to get inside menu on Instagram, we need to switch our account from personal account to professional account. If you are now in personal mode, I recommend you to switch to professional account, and I'm going to show you how we can do this. Okay, you can go to your profile page on Instagram. I'm going to tap on my profile, and then we're going to go to the Instagram settings and activity. We can click on these three lines on the top right. Okay, now the Instagram settings and activity have been opened, and then we're going to switch our account to professional. You can scroll down until you find the account type and tools right here, and then you can select switch to professional account. Okay, and here you can click on next, and then you can choose what best describes you. For me, I'm going to choose digital creator, and then you can click on switch to professional account, and then you need to choose between creator or business. For me, I'm going to select business, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and hold on. All right, and here we need to add business email and also phone number, and then also business address and Instagram audio calling, but I'm going to click on next. We can skip this step, and then I'm going to skip this step as well, and then I'm going to set up my professional account later. So I'm going to close this menu. Okay, and then here we'll get professional dashboard. Just tap on the professional dashboard, and then you will get all these options, and here you will have insights for your account. You can see your views, interactions, new followers, and also content you shared. Okay, this is information about views and followers and also interaction. Okay, you can explore the Instagram inside here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable inside menu on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.